Capcut, add your video and add the width. Add a keyframe to the previous clip from the start to end and zoom to the last keyframe like me. Click and set the same keyframe in the second clip from start to end. Zoom to the first keyframe like me. After adding the keyframe, you go to the first clip and click on graphs. Make this type of graph in every clip. After adding graphs, you will know the effects and add the chrome blur effect and increase its length to full video, and your video is ready.